This is the Eurasian eagle owl, a majestic creature once at home in the heart of the forest in Ponghwa, South Korea. But tragedy struck when a devastating fire swept through the forest. While this owl was saved, its home was reduced to ashes. And this owl isn't alone. Every day, the habitats that animals depend on disappear, threatened by climate change and destructive forest practices. But there is hope. Introducing Hanwha Solar Forest. To restore this owl's beloved home and revive the local community, Hanwha reforested the damaged areas of Ponghwa, South Korea, uniting individuals, public institutions, and Hanwha employees. Together, they planted 6,000 seedlings and 1,000 seed balls. This 2-hectare forest will bloom with 8 types of flowering trees, carefully selected for their ability to absorb carbon and support biodiversity. Hanwha's commitment to forests extends far beyond Ponghwa. Over more than a decade, Hanwha has planted 10 solar forests, totaling more than 500,000 trees. Forest restoration protects the habitats of many animals and supports local communities worldwide. But what makes solar forests different from other reforestation projects? While traditional sapling nurseries use electricity generated from fossil fuels, Hanwha harnesses the power of Earth's most abundant resource, sunlight. Solar forest nurseries are tightly controlled using solar energy. From seed to sapling, solar power supports each step of growth. Reforestation is a joint effort. By joining the Trillion Trees platform, Hanwha plans to create 10 more solar forests by 2030, pushing reforestation efforts further for the future. One tree at a time, Hanwha's solar forests are preserving and restoring ecosystems. We have the power to revive habitats for all living creatures and surrounding communities, bringing life back to the forests. Sustainable solutions for Earth, for life. Hanwha.